Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to write your own typeflow script by showing some basic typeflow operators and their combinations and results. First thing first, I go to Create. Typeflow tab, I click it. Then I drag out an icon in my viewport. After that, I go to Modify. Click on Open Editor. Now we have an editor window popped up. Those colorful tabs underneath are called operators. Now let's just right-click Simple Preset Flows, Simple Icon Flows. Let's see what this example has. Now let's drag our timeline a little bit. We could see that's basically creating a flow of many cubic boxes. By clicking on this little bulb on the right upper corner, we could simply hide and show. And looking at this script, we see the content it has. So let's create a same one. It has a burst first. So we will drag out a burst first. And on the right, it is telling from 0 frame to 100 frame. There are 200 particles. Also, it could be set by frame. For example, here I set 20 particles for each frame. Here I try to drag my timeline. Let's say nothing happened. We may notice that we haven't placed our position. So we find position and drag one position icon underneath the burst operator, and we see on the right that we need to set a position in our viewport. We need to pick one. So I go to Create again. Under Helper, I drop the menu, select Typeflow, and drag another type icon into our viewport. There, at the position icon modifier, we just pick the type icon. So now when we drag the timeline, we could see particles. The third thing is that they need to be told where to flow. That's why the speed command is needed. Optionally, you could just press tab and bring up the search mode. Here you can just search what you need. Type speed and we have it. Now when we drag the timeline, we can see the particles spreading all over the viewport. Then under direction, I set it to a long icon arrow. Therefore, I could draw in my viewport and pick one. So now it becomes controllable. The particles are only pointing down. After all this, next we gonna assign a shape to those particles. So here under speed, let's type in shape command. And on the right hand side, then we can design 2D or 3D shapes. Let's try 3D. So we drop the menu, say there are lots of options. Or we want it to be something else we want to create ourselves. So we just select reference nodes. Then we could pick an object we want in the viewport. In the viewport, let's go create a, say we want to go under extended primitives and we want a torus node. And we go back to TypeFlow editor and link this to the reference node. Another important thing is that always remember to set the type in the display mode to geometry. Otherwise, you'll still use default dots or pixels as displacement. Then we refresh, and now we could say, if the shape is too big, let's go back to shape layer, click on scale, and scale it down a little bit. Yeah, 10% just looks great. Let's preview it. Now we have a bunch of nuts falling down. The last thing is that to have this view render, we require to mesh it. So underneath shape, we add a mesh. And now you could just set the type to triangle mesh. After all this has been done, you can now render it. That's just a basic script of TypeFlow. Thank you for watching.